That's how we gotta do it today. Good morning, Grand Rising. I hope everybody's having a blessed day wherever you at. Everybody, I don't care who you are, good or bad. It's a beautiful day. You know, this is a message of forgiveness and about moving on. I pray to God give me all the right words to express exactly what I want to say here, because it's been brought to my attention over and over, and I've been dismissing it over and over for a while now, for a couple weeks now, about a month and a half now. Nobody really knows me out there. You only get to see a little pinch of salt of what I allowed the world to see of me. You guys have no idea who I am, and it's not really the big point here, you know? Somehow people feel like they know who I am when they haven't even tried to come through in my worst times when I was doing bad out there to figure out who I am. You know what I mean? It took me a lot of soul searching, inside searching, and a lot of suffering to find out who I am. Pa que sepa. And God has been pushing me to do this over and over. Thank you for shining on me, Lord. Yo no le deseo mal a nadie. I don't wish harm. I don't wish bad on nobody. I don't care who you are or what you did to me, or what you're still trying to do. I don't think about nobody. I don't think negative thoughts. I overcame all that a long time ago, man, and it wasn't easy to overcome this scattered mind. When your mind is just thinking a lot of crazy shit, negative shit, and you can't control it. I beat that. And it was worse than fighting any drug habit I ever had. I'll tell you that much. It was worse than fighting any drug habit that I ever had, fighting the mind. And if anything's been holding me back is that I haven't stand up for myself doing this right now. Porque no me gusta el problema. Because I knew who I was and who I could be or become, and it could be very ugly, you know, and I don't like that person. I don't like that side of me. That's why I just ignore a lot of things and just keep moving on. And I act like it don't bother me, but somehow it bothered my energies around me and shit, you know. Cuando están allá maldiciendo mi nombre, you know, when you out there speaking bad on my name, or you out there speaking to the next man about me, oh, mira lo que está haciendo este, mira lo que está posteando este. Like, who cares what I do? Yo no estoy pendiente a nadie. ¿Por qué ustedes están pendientes a mí? Start searching yourself to find out who you are. You know? I'm not trying to be nobody but myself. For real. And I just condone and hope that everybody can find their own self, you know. Hay personas cercanas que se han ido as far as doing witchcraft on me to stop my process, para parar mis caminos, para trancar mis caminos, and it's like, why? I don't understand why, because I've never done any harm to nobody. I haven't even done harm to the people that did me harm. Because I forgave them and moved on, because I knew at one point, voy a sacar este pensamiento y así mismo se va. Yo lo hago ceniza. I turn all your motherfuckers to ashes. It's my word. ¿Me entiende? ¿Me entienden? I don't know fear. I don't know fear. Yo no conozco miedo. Yo he pasado mucho en la vida para tener miedo o para ser poseído por envidia. No, I like to congratulate people. I like to see people doing good. I don't care who you are. I like to see people doing good. It makes me feel good to make other people happy. If I'm out there helping in charity for free, that's my problem. If I'm out here doing videos to try to, you know, motivate others that maybe were in my shoes where I was, that's my problem. ¿Me entiende? En esta this is a video of forgiveness and me moving on, because I don't care. I don't care if you guys live watching me. En verdad que no me importa, pero a los espirituales les importa. Y quieren que yo me pare y diga algo. My name is being spoken in rooms that haven't even entered yet. In rooms that my name not even entering. ¿Entiendes? It's like, están gastando su energía, enviándome energía a mí, hablando de mí, dándome promoción de gratis por ahí en la calle y en los sitios. Cuando yo cojo esa energía, and I transmute that into a positive energy, porque yo siempre le veo lo positivo a todo lo malo. So no hay efectos que me pueden hacer a mí, nada. Little by little, people just gonna catch up on your bullshit. Porque tú vas aquí, dices algo de mí aquí, vas allá, dices algo de mí allá, pero people catch on. You know, people catch on your bullshit, and the energies just gonna put you out there. If I don't do it, they just gonna put you out there themselves. Especially those who are vibing high. You know? Vibing high means, you know, when you positive, man, genuinamente positivo. Mi paz es secreta, mi energía es secreta, sacred. And when you genuinely just all about peace and love, man, you vibe high. Let me put it like that, because it's up to you to make your own studies. I'm not gonna give you all my gems. Nope. It took a lot of hell to be where I'm at, to have the peace that I have, and to be able to love myself like I do, and to be able to accept myself for who I am, y ser libre, no importarme lo que piense la gente, que si no le importaba a la gente cuando yo estaba en la calle todo jodido metiéndome droga, que tampoco tengo miedo de decirlo. ¿Por qué me va a importar lo que diga la gente ahora que estoy feliz en un sitio bueno y estable en mi conciencia? ¿Por qué me va a importar lo que digan ustedes?